Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy New Year, as you guys are going to see this in the new year. Harbles is behind me. You can see him. He's this little lump right here. But I thought I would start off the new year with just a very low-key vlog of what I did during my week off, because I did do little snippets of vlogging here and there. The vlog is going to be a little bit jumbled, but I'm going to do my best to put in dates. That way you guys have context of what's happening. But I did do some vlogging on Boxing Day, which if you guys are not from Canada, Boxing Day is the day after Christmas, so December 26th. I woke up at like 8 a.m. and then I decided to go to Fairview at 9 a.m. because that's when Fairview opened. It was relatively empty. The only reason why I went there is solely because I wanted to go to Lush. There's actually a Lush at Eaton Centre, Yorkdale, and Markville as well, I believe. But Eaton Centre and Yorkdale, they're such busy malls, and I just really wanted to get in and get out. So I decided to go to Fairview. And yeah, I went in and there was everything I needed. I grabbed a lot of bath products, and I will show you the footage of me shopping at Fairview and my haul here. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys the Fairview Mall. Aritzia got a makeover. It's so cute. It is gorgeous. I hope SCC gets a makeover. I have some button-ups that I love button-ups. Let's see. 80, that's not really that great. I honestly am not looking for anything. I just wanted to like come in and look at the store because like they renovated. So I wanted to just quickly show you guys what it looked like. Oh, they have this version with the tie in the back, and it's a little bit like, that's what I meant, like the crop and then the tie in the back. That's much more manageable than the Babaton one. But I did want to show you guys what I ended up getting at Lush, because I did film something. If you guys are not Lush addicts like I am, then you don't know this, but usually in the past they did like buy one get one free. Now it's 50% off all of the Christmas items. The stuff is not the best for eczema skin, but I seem to be able to like tolerate it for the most part. It doesn't really affect my skin terribly, so I'm excited because then I just got some stuff. So obviously when I'm feeling like it, I can throw like half of the bath bomb in. That's what I usually do. I'll just throw in like half of the item and then I take the bath for 5 minutes and then I'm out. So what I got for 50% off, I got this Have a Hippo Christmas. It comes with 4 items: the Butter Bear bath bomb, I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas bath bomb, Sleepy Bear bath bomb, Snowman Dreaming bath bomb. And it was $26 and then it was half off. And it comes in this like very cute packaging. A lot of times I keep the Lush packaging just because like, even though it's like for this item, for these items, I just use it to gift people items. So, I mean, I think it's cute. It's just like a Christmassy fun time. So that's the first thing I got. And then I got a Santa sleigh bath bomb, and it's really cool because this is what it looks like. It has like the Santa and a bear and then the sleigh, and then obviously you can break that up into 3 things because like they're removable. So like one day I can use this, one day I can use the bear, and one day I can break up the sleigh. So I thought that was really cool, and it's going everywhere, so in that goes. Let me see if I can get prices for you. So the Santa's Magic Sleigh was $5.95. The Have a Hippopotamus for Christmas was $13.48. And then I got a Snow Fairy shower gel. Usually I use like unscented stuff, but this also has like sulfate in it or whatever. I don't know if it's bad or good. People are going crazy over it. I just figured I would have one. I used up all my Necessaire stuff, which was actually like, it was okay, but for $30 it's really expensive. And this shower gel was $13, so it was $12.48 for this thing. And there was like only a couple left, so I just decided to get it. And then I got 2 of these, which are the North Pole Bubble Bar, because bubble bars are actually my favorite. And I like this. I don't necessarily like the scent. I like really earthy smells, not like floral things. This smells okay. It kind of smells like I don't know if it's cinnamony, but it has 2 pieces, which I really like. That way I can break them up. And obviously I got 2 of those, so there's one in here and one in here. And these ones were $4.95. And then the big ticket items that I got, this item is the Dreamland gift set. And it looks like this. See, this is what I mean. Like, you can reuse these boxes and they'll look really cute. This was $74.95 originally, and then I got it for half off. So it was $37.48 for the whole thing. So there is that. It comes with these, actually, just so you know, these packing peanuts, you can dissolve them underwater, which I really like. And so here's the Sleepy lotion. And when you bring back 5 of these pots, I think it's 5, you can get a free face mask. And then see the body, what is this? The shower gel. It's not very big in size. And oh wow, it came with an eye mask that I probably won't use. And then the spray, which is nice. I wonder if it smells good. How do you open this? How do you turn this on? Okay, on. It smells fine. It kind of smells like chamomile, so I don't mind that. So it has all those things. And I really like the box, so that's cool. I will reuse that box. This box, unfortunately, I cannot reuse because it's like an advent calendar. This is the 12 days of Christmas, and it was originally like $100 and something, I think. And then I got it for, let me see. It was originally $114, and then I got it for $57.48. So this is what it looks like. It's like a book. It's really cool. And then it is an advent calendar. So I will just punch everything out eventually and take the items out because I really don't need, oh, I don't have to punch it. That's awesome. I don't have to punch it, and then I can actually reuse this as an advent for someone next year. That would be cute, and I wouldn't have to like put the Lush stuff in there. So it also came with a shower gel. This is Jolly. This one's very citrusy scented. Oh, cool. And I was excited because I saw it came with like a lip scrub, and I kind of wanted it and almost bought it. And it comes with another body butter, so I have 2 of those pots now. Yeah, here's the lip scrub. Okay. Came with the golden pineapple lip scrub. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bath like bombs. And this is another Yognog, so it's a shower gel. That's awesome. So I have a lot of shower gel now, which is fine. What is this? Why is it? Oh, it comes with a baked Alaska soap, which is also fine with me. Awesome. I'm gonna reuse this because then like next year I can give someone like a 12 days of Christmas gift from me, which is awesome. And then I can just change the thing. Instead of saying Lush, you can say, I'll put like a sticker here and it will say like baloney or something. Anyways, I'm gonna unpack everything and put it in my Lush drawer. But yeah, that was fun. And then from now going forward, my vlog is going to be a little bit jumbled just because I picked up the camera whenever I just felt like picking it up and there was really no context. So when I was editing this video, I was like, what is going on with my video? I really had no idea what I was doing. But I have a JW Anderson unboxing I wanted to show you guys and stuff like that. So going forward, it's gonna be a little bit jumbled, but I hope you guys enjoyed these little bits that I did. So I got 2 chiffon cakes and 1 pan and cheese cake. I'm so excited. Today is the 28th and I have nothing planned. I don't even have Harley with me because he went on vacation with some friends and he's enjoying his cottage life. I didn't actually go. I didn't decide to go, but he's in good hands, so it's all good. I'm having lunch right now. I'm going to have some hummus and some flatbread. This is from Fresh Restaurants. If you guys are from Toronto and you guys love vegan food, delicious. Like, I love Fresh so much. I usually get their like soup salad combo with their cornbread. It is so delicious. But yesterday I actually got myself their buffalo what was it, their buffalo cauliflower salad, which they forgot the dressing to give. Like, they forgot to give me dressing, and thankfully I had ranch dressing, but I don't have buffalo sauce. So then I had to eat that, and it wasn't like it wasn't like what I wanted. But their hummus and their flatbread combo, like, it's so good. And then because they give you so much hummus, I also have chips. And then I also poured myself some Diet Coke because obviously, cheers to you guys, Diet Coke is delicious. Yeah, I had a really leisure morning. I woke up at 9. I did a workout. Love getting those out of the way. I washed my hair, obviously. I'm in my pajamas because I got back in my pajamas. And then after I eat lunch, I'm gonna go clean up my freezer because I need to take inventory of what I have in there, so I know what I have and I can use up some, you know, like old stuff.
Honestly, a noob, but there's some common knowledge that many Japanese people know about these machines. I don't think a lot of people...
Okay, step 1 is done. I took inventory of what I have, and clearly I have a lot of dumplings. Hello, friends. It seems like I'm always sitting at my dining table, which is correct, and you are shaking because my dining table sucks. I made a shiz ton of mochi for my friends because I was going to go over to my friend's house, and her husband is like allergic to a lot of things, so I made him mochi. He really likes mango cream mochi, so I made him mango cream mochi, but unfortunately we've canceled it. I have a huge tiramisu in my fridge because I made a tiramisu, and I also made mochi, so I'm gonna eat one. And I had to get a coffee because like it's 2 o'clock now, and I woke up at like 9:30. I did a workout, and then I had fries. I air fried fries and then ate my hummus, and that's all I had all day because I was anticipating eating creamy Alfredo tonight. And although that's not very good, like, I should still eat something, I was just lazy and I didn't eat anything. So then I got myself a coffee. Today's order is a venti peppermint white mocha no whip oat milk, 2 pumps peppermint and 3 pumps white mocha, which is a lot of sugar, but it's a white mocha. So let me show you guys my mochi. So I made this all by hand. I made it like the mochi, I made the whipped cream, and obviously I didn't make the mango. Like, I didn't grow the mango myself. However, I just chopped off fresh mango, and this is what they look like. They're so cute, so fluffy. Pardon my sushi tray. So I'm gonna eat one because, like, why not? Since I cannot give them to them. Bake it again. It wasn't that hard to make, so. So this one's really ugly. I'm just gonna eat it. I'm at Aritzia Don Mills right now. They have this, which is actually on special order, but they don't have the black. They only have the blue, and I wanted the black. So go with my leggings. Okay, I came to see if the district button-up was here. They only have this one, though, which I don't want this one. But it's on sale. Look. Sorry guys, I only have my phone today, so this is what you're getting. So I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but they have one pair of the pants that I love so much, and I'll tell you guys the size. It's a size 0. Oh, okay, well, they have them. Quick shout out to Talia from Aritzia Don Mills for saying hi. She was super sweet. So if you guys are looking for someone at Aritzia Don Mills, definitely hit up Talia. She is honestly so beautiful, but she was just such a sweet girl. If I was doing more shopping, I would have like shopped around with her, but I was looking for this one item and they unfortunately did not have it. But thank you so much for saying hi, Talia. I just ripped this Farfetch package open because this item, it's by J.W. Anderson. This is the bag that it came in. It came all the way from Milan, I'm pretty sure. Let me look at it. I think it came from Milan. It came from somewhere in Italy. Anyways, Look what I got. It's so cute. It's a pee-pee bag. Guys, I was eyeing it on Nordstrom forever and then it sold out. I wanted this pink color specifically because a pink pee-pee is the cutest. And it comes with this, so you can like, I think you're supposed to just like go like that. I saw no reviews about it. A pee-pee bag! Guys, how stinking cute. It comes in black, tan, you know, all the leathers. I got it in pink because it's so stinking cute. And it's a coin purse. I love it. Never been more excited about a pee-pee bag in my life. Love it so much. Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you follow me on Instagram, I was a little bit active there, so follow me there at _HelloHarley. I was really trying my best to post videos on TikTok, but I didn't do anything because I just really wanted to take time and not do anything. So I really had a nice, relaxing, potato-y week off, and hopefully I will start posting on there again. But that's at HelloHarley, and then Instagram is _HelloHarley. But thanks for watching my vlog, and I will let me know what videos you guys want to see down below for the new year, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.